Sticky Cross. Hi, my name is Anna and I'm a singer.
Hi, my name is Peyton and I'm a dancer.
And today, what are we doing today?
Today, we are back with more Pentagon reactions. I think this is our last requested title tracks.
So for this video, we'll be watching Naughty Boy, 청개구리, and then Humph, 접근금지. So
which was produced by Gary Boy.
Huh?
It was produced by Gary Boy.
Whoa. So from what I know, these, besides Shine, 빛나리, are the cute, quirky concept Pentagon songs. So this will be very interesting.
Let's go.
Okay. Hello. It's starting with whistling. They're all squatting
Frog poses.
I get it.
Yeah. Oh.
Where do you find a giant frog statue? I really enjoy the woo things in the background there. I forget what they're called. What? Sorry.
They're so cute.
I'm really enjoying the whistling in the background. Oh, the little kids are so cute. Oh, they changed that.
I really like that part. It's so cute.
It feels so like chorus line. Oh, the 민과 line. It just makes me think of that old song.
Oh, happy boys.
Who is that?
Hui.
Ah.
I'm pretty sure. Okay, I just have a couple of things to say because again, I'm the one that knows all of the Pentagon songs. So one thing that I really liked that they did a lot during this year and a half where they were doing really quirky things, their quirky songs, is how they put trendy dances and trendy elements into it. And the two that really stick out to me the most are during Woosok's rap. They do a really slow version of the Fortnite dance all together. And it's just really cute. And then the other one is, do you remember the video where it was like the frog alien meme that like walked back and forth? Oh my god, wait, I have to show you this. Anyway, so yeah, they put that like frog alien meme walk into it, and it's really cute. One other thing, so for once, using the word bouncy is correct when describing a dance, because this dance is so bouncy, like, which makes sense because of the whole like frog pun, frog elements. But one of the things I really like is that they actually get that hang time that you kind of associate with like a frog bouncing, a frog jumping, especially in the like chorus line moment at the end. It feels like they're like boom, boom, ba, and I really like that. And then my last comment is that it is like a silly song and they have a lot of silly elements in the dance, like the trendy dances, the umbrella at the beginning. But I think because it's silly, sometimes like the difficulty that it takes to do it and make it look so easy is overlooked. And like, I'm not saying it's their most difficult dance they've ever done, because that would be an overstatement. But there is a lot of like coordination to it that is required to get the like nuance and to get that quirky feeling. Like, I just am imagining how much they had to practice some of the elements of this dance to make it look as good as it does. And like, the best example is in the chorus with the legs and how they're doing their shoulders. Like, they're doing it at 2 different rhythms, and it looks so easy and so fun and so like quirky, and I really love that. So that's all. Anna's turn.
Yeah, this song is just so silly. I don't mean that in a bad way, but I really don't know how else to describe it. It's just silly, and like there are so many wordplay puns in the lyrics too. And then like even the chicken thing that happens. And it's just like, I guess sort of everyone having a good time. And because of that, like musically, it's a little bit more simple. Like the melodies that they're singing are all very simple and easy to sing along to and like follow along to. Leaps between pitches of like 3 and 5 are really simple to follow along to. Like they catch in your ear, they stick to your ear really easily. And this song has so many of them. 3 and 5 interval would be like do to mi to sol. They also have like a lot of moments where there's like the group singing sort of thing. It really just made me think of like a children's song in terms of like the melodies. Maybe it's also because there are like kids in the music video running around. But they had like all those group sing moments where you could hear all the different voices and they're singing it, but also kind of like yelling, singing it, talking about bouncy feeling more though. The emphasis on the beats really shows that too, because the whole time it's like down on 1 and 3 and up on 2 and 4 feeling. So it's like da 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 da. So you're bouncing. Just like 2 more small things. Like I said, the song is pretty simple, but they have a lot of those like little details in the background, like the whistling that I mentioned, and like very faint like ahs in the background, and just like there's a small use of like synth brass at one point. And then I said in the video that that one line in the chorus makes me think of the old Korean song. It's the line at the end of the chorus where they say, what is it? 우리 님과 천년 만년 살고 싶어. Because there's that old Korean song called 님과 함께, and it's like 사랑하는 우리 님과 한 100년 살고 싶어. So that's just like what automatically came into my mind. I don't know if it's like relevant at all, but I just wanted to explain that a little bit. So yeah. Next!
Okay, so now we're watching our second Pentagon video for today. Humph. I still can't see the Korean title. What is it?
접근 금지.
Yes, produced by Geary Boy. Let's go.
They're in a classroom.
I told you it was funny. We're just talking about how they're like little kids.
Is this supposed to be like kid versions of them?
You'll see.
I get it.
Yes, I got it. It's kid version.
Thank you. The pencils also got larger.
doing okay?
What is happening?
Oh,
It went over the line. 손에 넣었어. What?
it's just so odd.
Oh my god. Okay.
I really don't have a lot to, like, genuinely don't have a lot to say for this one, but the first comment I'm going to say you're gonna laugh so hard at. But it wouldn't be a Pentagon video if it didn't come up at least once. Wooseok is so large. It like hit me more when I was watching the dance practice while I was waiting for Anna to make her comments, because he even dwarfs Yuto. Like, he puts his arm around Yuto at one point and Yuto looks tiny, and I was like, you're so large. One comment that I have, it's pretty much just in the same way that Anna talks about how some songs have more like children's song sort of melodies that are easy to follow along. The dance sort of follows the same principle, especially in the chorus. Like, it's really easy to follow along. It's just and it makes sense. Like, it goes with the entire like concept theme of the song, that it's very like childlike and easy to follow. So my only other comment is really, I love the ending when they all look over their shoulder and just like the reproachful look that they give the camera. It's so cute. It gets me every time. I'm always like, oh, that's cute. I mean, these songs are really cute and they're really good, but I really have to be in a specific mood to like go out of my way to listen to them, which will not come as a surprise to anyone that has ever seen this channel. So Anna's turn.
I'm sorry, I really don't know what to say about it. I did have a few like ideas of what to expect going into this when I saw that it was produced by Kitty Boy, because Kitty Boy has like a really distinct style in my mind. A lot of his songs are like very playful and quirky. He's just a very interesting character. And like the quirkiness is true in this song again, but it is like more simple and childlike again in this song. I think even more so than 청개구리, because like the instrumental is like bare. The sort of synth flute line during the chorus, that is also the intro. It just needed to be there as the intro because the verses are literally just like, it plays the chord once at the beginning of the measure and then it does a percussion on the third beat of the measure and then everything else is just silent besides they're singing. And I'm like, you need that like flute synth theme in the beginning so that your mind like can remember there's like more sound to it. You know, like it still lingers a little bit. And another thing about the chords is that like I said in the verses, it plays like once at the beginning of the measure and then that's it. And then like for the pre-chorus and chorus, it's just playing 1, 2, 3, 4, chord change 2, 3, 4, chord change 2, 3, 4. And it's just like very simple and straightforward, very literal. And that's what the song dance music video is. And like the music video, they're literally, it's just the talls versus the smalls.
Yeah.
I had two other small things to say. One of them was in the bridge, there's like the delayed entrance of the second note of the chord, and I was like, oh, that's like a suspension, because it's like in music, it's suspension is like the note is carrying over and then other notes come in to create a new chord. And then also just to like, since the song is so simple, it's very much personality driven, and like you hear that with all like, in the intro, they say swag. And then there's all like the yas in the background and stuff like that. And I'm just like, oh my goodness. Boys, please. I don't know what else to say. I'm so sorry.
It's cute though, right?
It's cute. It's really cute. It's very quirky. But I think that seeing these, the thing is, it's just like so different. Like complete opposite end of the spectrum from the image that I have of Pentagon in my mind now after being exposed to them as Pentagon in 2020. I'm just thinking about like Dr. Bebe and Basquiat compared to this.
Anyways,
I don't know how to end this.
TLDR, these are just really cute, but so different than Pentagon's image now. But it's still really fun to see. Did you like them?
No, yeah, they're fun.
Yeah.
But anyways, that being said, if you enjoyed this video and these two reactions, then please leave a like, comment, subscribe,
Ding!
turn on your notification bell. Bye!
Bye.